Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have original function, first derivative of the function and second derivative of the function, and we have number 0 in here. So in this situation, we just find only complementary solution. So I will put about y equal to e to the power of lambda t. So if we do first derivative, we have lambda e to the power of lambda t. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of lambda t. Later that we do first derivative of lambda t, you got about lambda. That's why we have lambda in here. If we do second derivative, we will have lambda square e to the power of lambda t. So this one we put in here. This one we put in here. And the last one we put in here. So we will have about 3 lambda square e to the power of lambda t plus 4 lambda e to the power of lambda t, and the next one is about negative number 4 e to the power of lambda t equals to number 0. Now we can do about factorization of this one in here. So we have 3 lambda square plus 4 lambda minus number 4. And now we just have only 3 lambda square plus 4 lambda minus 4. So we calculate about this one. We have lambda equals to 2 over 3. And the second one, lambda equals to negative number 2. And now we have y equal to c1. That's about constant number 1 e to the power of 2 over 3 t. Because we change lambda into 2 over t, we have c number 2 e to the power of 2t, or negative 2t, sorry. We change this one into in here, and that's why we have negative 2t. Now we have the condition. That means when t equal to number 0, y equal to number 1. So we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. We will have about c1. Because e to the power of 0, you got about number 1 plus c2. And we have y in here. That's about number 1. So we have one equation. Now if we do first derivative, this one we will have about 2 over 3 c1 e to the power of 2 over 3t. And we have negative number 2 c number 2 e to the power of negative 2t. We have the condition in here. That means when t equal to number 0, first derivative, we will have about number 2. So we put number 0 in here and here. So we have 2 over 3 c1 minus number 2 c2 and equal to number 2. So we combine two equations in here, and we create the system of equations. We calculate about this one, we find about c1. That is about 3 over 2 and C2. We calculate that is about negative 1 over 2. And now the final answer of this one in here, that should be about 3 over 2 e to the power of 2 over 3 t minus 1 over 2 e to the power of negative 2t. So compare this one with this one, we see that all of them, they don't have the correct answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.